As these Catholics celebrate Mass at a church in Khartoum, one of the parishioners is locked in a prison cell, where she's chained at her feet while 8.5 months pregnant. Maryam Yahya Ibrahim has been sentenced to death under Islamic law for abandoning Islam and marrying a Christian. Her 20-month-old son is with her. Maryam's lawyer says there's no evidence his client ever was a Muslim, and that anyway the conviction is in breach of national and international laws.
Even in Article 38 in the Sudan Constitution, that's the right to religion, and even in the African Charter on Human Rights. So actually, the judge ignored this is principle, and this principle should be in favor of Maryam. She's a victim.
Maryam's husband, Daniel Wani, is allowed into prison to see his wife and son once a week for just 15 minutes.
She's complaining about the baby. She said the baby has 2 days. There's not any movement on her.
The judge's sentence has shocked many people in Sudan.
Most of the people who are supporting my family are Muslims, are Muslim. And I don't think this is not an issue of Christianity and Islam.
Maryam's lawyers have launched an appeal, and the judiciary unusually put out a statement to say it will review the conviction. Maryam's fellow parishioners are praying for her. When the appeal is heard, there's every chance Maryam's conviction will be overturned, but it could be up to a month before the judges hear the case, by which time Maryam will have given birth in a Sudanese prison cell. Bernard Smith, Al Jazeera, Khartoum.